What down with the YouTube? It's Marty 2 Major and your boy back with another freaking banger. But today, you guys, I got a different type of video today for you guys. Today we're gonna be unboxing the shoes my sister just bought me. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna say it again. Today we go be unboxing the shoes my sister just bought me. I want you guys to unbox it with me. Now I ain't gonna cap, your boy had to see a little sneak peek, see how they look, you know what I'm saying? See how them bad boys look, and I'ma say I want about 4 new pairs. Just like that. So I'm gonna tell you my size, I'm gonna show you my size, and before Christmas, I should have 4 new pairs of New Balance shoes that my supporters then bought me. And if you don't buy me none, guess what? I'ma crash out. I'ma cause a scene. Y'all already know how I like to do it. I like to crash out. I like to cause a scene. I like to push the issue a lot of times. So it's best if you guys stay on my good side, and then rather than you wanna stay on my bad side, because when you on my bad side, don't nothing turn out good. Don't nothing turn out good when you on my bad side. So that's all I'ma say about this situation. But let me show you guys this first. Okay, look. Now you see it says I was size 12. See, 12 right here. Size 12. But that don't mean because I was size 12, that don't mean you be on a nigga dick. This cause you probably think my feet big. That don't mean you gotta be on a nigga dick because your boyfriend was size 7. Okay, and with his baby foot ass. Yeah, go tell him too with his little baby foot ass. Just cause I was size 12, that don't mean shit. You hear me? You know what they say, big feet. I ain't gonna even say the rest, cause I don't want them trying to take my video down for me using profanity, me using the words they don't want to hear. But guess what? I don't care. And yeah, if you got a problem with that, whoever, come handle it. Come talk to them Marty. Come talk to me. You know what I'm saying? We could talk about that. We could push the issue about that. You see, that came from FedEx. I appreciate y'all FedEx. But god damn, look how fat the box is. Y'all gave a nigga a fat ass box. This bitch so fat, boy. My baby brother could feel in this bitch. Your child could probably feel in this bitch. Ooh. Look, them New Balances, boy. I think this, to be honest, all my whole life, I think this is my first pair of New Balance shoes. Let me know in the comments, have y'all ever had a pair of New Balance shoes, and send me a picture because I want to see them. But first, let me look at these bad boys again. God damn, these bitches raw as a bitch. These bitches raw as a bitch. But before we get into the fun and today's videos, your boy gotta do the thumbnail every video. Don't ask me why I do the thumbnails, why I'm doing a video, because it's more convenient for me, because all I gotta do is screenshot it and go watch the video, and just when I post my little clips and just and upload that bitch. So before y'all in the comments, man, why you always when you doing your videos, why you always screenshot it then while you doing your videos? I don't want to hear all that. I already explained it to you. And if you ask me this, I'm gonna tell you, pull up this clip. And if you still get the mouth and yapping, you know what come next. But first, like I said, let me get a thumbnail for these bad boys. You hear me? God damn, I need a thumbnail for these bad boys right here. This gonna be the thumbnail right here. Stop playing with me. Yo, these bitches retarded. You hear me? I had to get green. You hear me? I felt like the green ones go be more convenient for the boy. I feel like the green ones go pop out more. I want y'all to give me some ideas, fits for where y'all think I should wear with these type of shoes right here, you guys. Give me some ideal fits. Only if you got a boyfriend and you be shopping for your boyfriend. Tell me some ideas where you think, tell me some outfit companies you think I should shop on that match with these shoes, because your boy needs the outfit. Your boy needs the outfit to match with these. I don't know when my first day I'm gonna be wearing them. They're gonna be in the box in a minute, but I gotta say, I fuck with them. I want about 3 more pairs. These on sale right now on all I think Hibbett Sports. They on sale right now for like $80, $90 outside. So if you want a pair of these, go get you a pair of Hibbett Sports. And they probably on sale on all the other different websites too, but you gotta go see for yourself. You gotta go see for yourself. I'm not about to be telling you all the websites they on sale on, and you not even about to buy me a pair. So basically, I'm gonna feel like you playing with me. I'm gonna feel like you playing with me. I'm gonna feel like I should push the issue about that situation. I'm gonna feel like I should probably go across your head when I see you. I'm gonna feel like you know, I don't play no games, man. I don't play no games when it comes to it. But y'all, these the bad boys right here that my sister just bought me. You heard me? You heard me? These the bad boys right here that she just bought me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I gotta honestly say, I'm fucking with the bitches. I'm fucking with them. They raw. You know what I'm saying? They're retarded. And don't ask me, it look like I got sweat on my face, but that's not sweat. I just got out the shower. There's water on my face, so don't be on my dick about that situation either, because it's not gonna turn out good. But actually, let me wipe it off my face, because I know y'all go try to plug me. But one more thumbnail for good measure. You heard me? I had to get one more thumbnail, but you guys, these the shoes right here that my sister just bought, what I just got. And I gotta say thank you, sissy. I will be wearing these. My favorite part about them is the you know, they got like the little shoestrings in these right here. These bitches retarded. These bitches retarded, fool. Like I said though, if you got a pair of these, let me know. And don't be trying to steal my shoe color idea. Go get your own shoe color idea, because you know what they say. If you like stealing, you like, and if you like, your tomato get busted too soon. So you gotta be on the lookout. You gotta make sure nobody creeping up on you. You gotta make sure nobody trying to do nothing to you. You gotta make sure nobody trying to hurt you. So, but I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I had to show y'all the shoes my sister just bought me. Tell me, do y'all like this video? Tell me, should I do more videos like these, like clothes I buy, shoes I buy, or any type of videos like this in this nature you think you would like to watch and you think that you would like to see me do. But make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you guys stay on the right track with whatever you doing in life. It don't matter if you doing hair, it don't matter if you doing nails. God damn, LeBerta pushing that bitch. I look back, LeBerta all the way on the other side. But yeah, y'all, make sure you stay consistent in life. It don't matter what you're doing. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, all them good things. And like I said, tell me what other type of videos you like for me to do, and should I do more videos like this. But it's your boy Marty 2 Major. Make sure you have a good day on this beautiful, wonderful Sunday. I know football season about to start back and y'all are ready for it, but it's Marty 2 Major and I'm checking out. Peace.